File paths can be tricky across different platforms with different separators and conventions. Path class makes them painless by handling platform differences automatically, so your code works on Windows, Linux, and Mac without changes. The Path.Combine creates correct paths regardless of the operating system. Methods like the getFileName, getDirectoryName, and getExtension extract specific parts of paths for analysis or manipulation. Normalize paths with the path.getFullPath, which resolves relative paths into absolute paths. If you want to check for the existence, you can use the path.exist. You can also generate temporary files safely with the path.getTempFileName, which creates unique temporary file names in the system temp directory. Use Path.Combine and relative paths for portable, maintainable code that works across all platforms where your application might run.